Ready to go? So
Yeah.
this is Dimitri Perret,
Yeah, exactly.
and he's with Vade Retro.
Exactly.
Ready to roll?
Yeah. So I'm Dimitri Perret from Vade Retro, and I'm really glad to be here to present you the next-gen email filtering. So let me explain. So our mission is to keep the email safe and convenient, whatever the level of the end user. So our job is to filter email. But why? Everybody has an email address, and everybody suffers of the same issue. We all receive too much low priorities email. They can be ads, social network, notification, or newsletter. But this is not spam, this is gray mail. It represents up to 75% of the stream, of the clean stream, after a good spam filtering. So this confused situation makes a rate of 82% of unsatisfied customers, according to Gartner. But don't worry, we have a solution. Thanks to our technology called the heuristic filter, I'm here to present two main features, which are the gray mail auto-classification and the safe unsubscribe. So let me show you in a live demo. Great. All right. So we discover that most of corporations we're working with prefer to send a report to end user instead of real-time receiving for gray mail. So here is a report we receive. The end user will receive for corporation. So you cannot read what is written, but that's sad. So this is, on the top, this is gray mail. All the gray mail, all the low priority email you receive, and down it's spam. So directly here, you can do three actions. You can release the email, so it will go in your primary inbox. You can add to whitelist, or directly unsubscribe from a newsletter or an email you don't want anymore. So let me show you how to unsubscribe in a one click. You just click on this one if you want. It opens your browser. You can see the email, and then, ta-da, up. You say, OK, that's done. You are unsubscribed from this email, which is called NBC Philadelphia, blah, blah, blah. So you can also manage all of this on a web interface. I will show you. So again, here is all the email we saw before, and on the left, all the spam. So I don't have a lot of spam. So as you can see, the green check was the mail I unsubscribed for. And on the web interface, you can unsubscribe from many mails in one click. Let me show you. OK. It's running a little. So the two are unsubscribed, and one is still in process. Up. So the technology is really smart and won't let you unsubscribe from a spam, because we won't let you communicate with a spammer because of security. Go back to Gmail. So we can also release an email. And as you can see on the logo, this is social emails. So the engine recognizes social email from other newsletter or whatever. So I can also release an email to send it directly in my inbox in a one click. Say OK. And I hope I will have a notification down here from my Outlook. So the engine is also able to differentiate commercial email, marketing email, from transactional email. So the mail from United Airlines you receive with your flight reservation will go in your primary inbox instead of going in the gray mail. 10 seconds left. So 84% is the rate of users who are very satisfied. I said very satisfied. And 50% decrease complaint we observe by SFR, which is a leading telco operator in Europe. And thanks very much.
Well done. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Ellen. What's the relationship to Exchange? Is this its own email server? Is it a client? Is it a plugin?
It works whatever the server. It can work on Exchange, and it's before Exchange. So it will filter email before Exchange.
All right, who's got the hardest question in the room? Cristiano.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Cristiano. What if I use Gmail as a client? I can plug in something, or I don't know exactly.
Gmail as a personal account or as a Google Apps for
Both as a personal account and if I am a startup, for example, for a business account.
So I want to say if you use Google Apps, you don't really need the Gmail classification, but it will be complicated to integrate and will mean different people to answer.
I will answer to your question. For Gmail, we have a lot of corporate customers who are using Vade Retro in a cloud service, which is called Vade Retro Cloud. And in this case, you have just the MX record to change, and Vade Retro will be positioned before Gmail.
Okay, so if I can continue with the question. So you're saying that I have to change my MX records on the DNS, is it right?
Correct, yes.
Okay.
So
this is for the business account, but if I have just a plain Gmail account as a personal user?
We have also a solution for that, because you are speaking about residential customers, and we have a very specific free apps, which is called Love Your Emails. And I invite you all to check on your Android or iPhone or just in the web to Love Your Emails with a S, loveyouremails.com. And this is a web application, IMAP service, who will classify all your email accounts as Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail, mail.ru, whatever you want.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you to you. Thank you.
Thank you. It's mine.
Feelings.
No, ask a question. Okay, 1 minute and 38 seconds on the clock for another questions. So I'll raise a question. So as you immerse yourself in Silicon Valley, you realize the challenges in front of you in this space. What are your deepest and darkest nightmares in this, and like what you need to do tomorrow?
I want to say what we need to do tomorrow. Did you see the web interface? Maybe make it a little bit more friendly.
Okay, so UI, UX.
Yeah. We were more focused on the engine, on the technology aspect, and we have to do one more step on the UI right now. And
Okay.
it is what we are doing right now.
That's good.
Yeah.
So are you? Let me ask you. Are you doing UI UX development here or elsewhere?
I won't say we follow trend which appear here, but we still developing in France for the moment, and we're just coming in United States. So and we'll maybe plan to do some development in United States. Yeah.
Let me ask a more pointed question. So I just want to see a bead of sweat go down your forehead. That's all. Would you find that your UI and UX needs can be better fulfilled in the Valley? That you don't have designers and web developers in Paris or wherever that can do the same job for?
I think wherever you are, you can do nice UI. But here you are in the middle of trends, and you really discover first and quickly new trends. So that's why it's going to help us to be here for the UI aspect.
Good answer.
Thank you.
That's good. And okay, no, we're out of time, and I can go on that stuff. But good stuff. Vade Retro, Dimitri.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.